Lesson 6, Vocabulary. Name goes here. Number 1, what does twitches mean? His nose twitches when he smells the apple pie in the oven. Gets itchy, starts hurting, moves suddenly. Number 2, what does slithers mean? The snake slithers away. Bounces, slides, turns. 3, what does the word sweep mean? The birds swoop and land on a branch. Look quickly, turn around, fly down. Number 4, what does the word doze mean? The baby dozes but starts to cry when she hears a noise. Gets dirty, rolls over, sleeps lightly. 5, what does the word snuggle mean? The mice snuggle in their nest, lie closely together against each other, keep each other safe, make loud noises. 6, what does the word audible mean? The man's voice is audible through the speakers. Heard again, heard after, heard again, can be heard. Number 7, what does the word understandable mean? Billy thought the directions were understandable, so he got started right away. Not understood, can be understood, to be understood again. What does the word excitable mean? The small child was very excitable. Either excited, excited before, or a person who's excited. 9, what does the word responsible mean? Lacey was responsible, so she did her homework every night. Without trust, can be trusted, to ask for trust. 10, what does the word visible mean? The stars were not visible because it was cloudy. Able to be seen, the act of seeing, a person who sees. Then click the submit button once you've completed.